All right, so Jeremiah, you're up.
Okay, sir.
Mhm.
So, sir, first, for this one, um, the symbol +5. For the first answer, the answer is C.
All right, this is what I expect you to do. Question 1. If the symbol that is an odd number, odd whole number, which of the expressions will always be odd, sometimes odd? Read the heading, guys. Shade the letter which matches. All right, so for this one, it says it's never odd. What's the next one for times 5?
Times 5. If you times 5 by 7, it's 36. So it's never odd again.
All right. What about if you add 2?
3 plus 2 is 5. And if you add 7, 9, 7 plus 2 is 9. So basically it's A, always odd.
All right.
Then times 2. Times 2, if you times 2 by 4, is 8. So
hold on, Jeremiah, hold on. You see these numbers? I mean just putting those numbers in because they add A, B, C.
No, sir, I'm just giving an example, sir.
But you use the exact numbers that I have. All right, not a problem. I
And
thought
then
you were thinking
or sir, if you times it by 5, it's only with 10, so it's never odd. So if you times 2 by any number, it's not gonna be an odd number.
All right, so yes, so that is the C according to you. All right, critique time.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, Kayla.
I don't completely agree with Jeremiah because it said if the symbol is an odd whole number and he just used 4.
Okay. And 4 would not be an odd. I Kayla have a point there, right? Because it specifically say it's an odd number. So it cannot be 4. That's what I was saying, Jeremiah. You can't use these numbers because I just think they have it A, B, C, and then A, B, C in the answer is kind of silly. So that's why I changed them to them here. But this is not saying you should use 4, 3. These are just numbering it as 1, 2, 3, 4 to make it easier for students. So it's not these you should use. I was saying that and you say, you know. All right. So guys, I agree with what Kayla is saying, right? You can't use 4 because it's supposed to be an odd number. But I think, would that be, say it was an odd number, would it change the answer though? For example, let us say we use 3.
Excuse me, sir. No, sir, it's never odd. Okay. I was just pointing out that it has to be an odd number.
All right.
You have to read the instructions properly.
Any other thing that you have a problem with, anyone? Let me know what you disagree with. So should I take it that everybody agree with everything that is there then?
Yes. Yes, sir.
No,
sir.
All right, go ahead, critique. That's all like Jubin and Kalyan. When are you go talk about it? What you find to be incorrect?
Number 2.
2? So you're saying it's never odd, that's not correct?
Yes, sir.
All right, give us the reason and what's the correct answer.
If it's an odd whole number, any odd whole number times 5 would still be odd.
You're saying it should be this, always odd.
Yes, sir.
Let us put it to the test.
But sir,
But the rest of the kids were saying they agree. Let's just use the odd number 3. 3 times 5 is 15. So yeah, I agree with Kalyan. If you multiply an odd number by 5, you're gonna get an odd number. 1 times 5, that's 5. 3 times 5, that's 15.
Don't agree, sir.
Eh?
Sir, I don't agree.
You don't agree? All right, so prove it. Which odd number you can multiply by 5
Sir,
and
Plus 3 plus 5 is 8, sir. So basically, that one's going to be never odd, sir.
hold on, wait now. It said times.
So I'm at the first, sir.
No man, not the first one. She's saying the second one. You had chosen C for this, you know, never odd. But she said that she disagreed because if you choose 3 times 5, that's 15. So it's always odd. And we choose a couple, and we 1 times 5 is 5. 3 times 5, 15. That's an odd number. 5, 5, 25. 7, 5, 35. 9, 5, 45. That's about it, right? So I agree. It's actually CAAC. But interestingly, a number of persons sent that to me. But when I asked if they agreed, those same person that gave me CAAC, they did not say they disagree. But persons actually gave me that. But when I asked if they agree with Jeremiah's own, they said they did agree. Somebody have them radio on, guys, or TV. All right, let's move on to number 2. All right, it said, in the grid shown below, there are 3 pathways labeled A, B, and C. For each of the following statements, indicate whether the statement is true or false. If you're just joining us, this is from the Ministry of Education. My colleague get it off of them website. So guys, I think every school should go through this. So I might post this one on YouTube because I think every student should have the opportunity to see.
Can you scroll up?
Up? All right, hold on. So it says for each of the following statements, indicate whether the statement is true or false. So this is the true or false segment. Somebody sent me to let them know. I didn't say I really.
Sir, are those the only 2 statements?
No man, there are more. But remember, it's each row you're gonna be doing, you know. So it's 3 of them. So you guys would have to do them one. Rashika, you have your hand up, go ahead.
Never mind.
Abriana, rename yourself, I don't see it. All right. But do we understand this question, guys? What it is saying?
Yes, sir.
What is it saying, Abby?
Can I pick it up, please?
Sir, it's sir, it's basically just asking you to write true or false, whether you think pathway A is longer than pathway B when you observe the diagrams.
How can you determine which is longer, whether part A or part B? How do you determine which is longer? What you need to do? What's the procedure?
3.
What
So
you guys
put
think?
like
Want to take the floor? I just want you to explain what you think is required for you to do.
14.
How do you?
16.
Eh?
Is it 16?
So what I did, sir, is like I put my pencil, sir, And like for A, so I put it up, then down, then through the middle, then up, then down. And the rest of them, I do the same
All
thing
right.
basically.
So when I got this today, because he had printed off for me at school. So when I came across this, I was saying, what is this? I don't fully get what the question was saying.
Also,
But then I said, you know what? It couldn't be that. Rishika, go ahead.
so when it's over,
Hmm?
I want to ask you a question, but I said when it is over.
Oh, okay, all right, no problem. So what I said in my head, you know what? It couldn't be that they're asking for this part, the opening. I think they meant was the total distance around. So I think they are actually asking for the perimeter. So I called some students of mine who were in grade 11 and I said, what do you think about this question? What do you think they're asking for? And they told me the same thing. So I'm thinking that they actually wanted to figure out this is the part. Because initially I was thinking, what if it's the entrance? As that's what I was doing, and comparing like the size of this. I'm a stupid guy, but that's what I was thinking first, because it's a part. Let me go up here. But then I say it couldn't be that. It said in the grid below there are 3 pathway labeled A, B, and C. So I'm thinking the pathway is all the way around. So that's my interpretation of it. That's why I was asking you guys if that's what you guys are interpreting as well. And then I look and I see it's a pathway A is longer than pathway B, and I say, yeah, they're definitely comparing the lengths. So let me know if that's your interpretation and how would you guys figure it out.
What I did was I just counted along the lines. I'm basically just estimating. Or guessing. So for the first one, it's three down.
Oh, hold on. I think I know what you did, you know. This is what you did?
Yep.
I'm here said 3 down. I can't figure out that's what you did. Alright, so you're saying this side is 3.
Yep. That's 1. And there's also 1.
What about this part?
That's 1. All 3 of those spaces are 1. Like the 3 lines are 1.
Okay. What about here?
That's 1. That's 3. That's 1. 3 ones. And that's. And then you add them all up.
Alright, tell us what you got.
10.
10? That's what you said, Kalyan, 10?
No, sir.
Oh, who said 10? Alright. What you got?
I got 16 for the first one.
Okay, cool. What about this one? What you got for this one?
I got 14.
14. Alright, okay, put in them. So this will be 1. That will be
1 will
3.
be 3. 1. 1. 2. 2. 1. And 3 1.
And you got 14. All right. What about this one now? What you got?
I got the same answer as last time. 14.
3?
I got 14, yeah. That's annoying. It's not freaking.
What's supposed to go here?
That's 1. Three ones. One. 3. 3.
What's the total?
I got 14 again.
14. Okay, cool. All right. So what's the answer now? They say
So I got-
pathway A is longer than pathway B. What's the answer? True. Pathway A is longer than pathway C.
True.
Pathway B is longer than pathway C.
But false, because they're basically the same thing.
All right. Let me hear the class now. Do we agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's exactly what but I didn't use 3 guys, but that was very smart. She literally cut them up in 1 unit and did that. I used 5, but that's good, man. That's very smart. Very good. I agree. Totally. But you see, guys, just looking at it, we could not tell that these are equal. Unless you're very good with space and something. Your spatial awareness very good. But that was good. That's a very good method. From here, she said 3, I kind of know, say, oh, she break it up like that. Yeah. So see there, 1, 2, and so. That's a very smart way to look at it. Good job, good job. So you guys are awesome. You know? Now, this one now is a classify each net as a representing, is it a rectangular prism, a triangular prism, or a pyramid? I'm gonna give you guys time with this. Let me just.
Just 2 minutes.
2 minutes? Whoa. All right, cool. So guys, somebody said they only need 2 minutes to complete these 6.
Sir,
Hmm?
can you give us 10 minutes?
10? All right. That's what I thought. I thought I needed some time to do it, but you guys said 2 minutes. So guys, we're gonna look at A and tell whether you think it's a rectangular prism, a triangular prism, or a pyramid. So after you have that, then you go on to this one. If you think it's a rectangular prism, a triangular prism, or a pyramid. Same thing for C. You move on if you think it's a rectangular pyramid, a triangular pyramid, or a pyramid. No, prism, rectangular pyramid. Same thing for this if you think it's a rectangular prism, a triangular prism, or a pyramid. So for each one of them, you're just gonna find out the answer for each one of them. And then as a group, we discuss and then we see if we agree. All right?
Okay, sir. So for A, sir, am I supposed to like use the table or just write
No,
it?
just give me whether it's a pyramid. You can see the option.
Yes.
Let me go up with you. So you must just give me whether rectangular prism, triangular prism, or pyramid. We're not going to use the table. Just for convenience. We won't use it, all right?
Okay, sir.
We're just going to like literally label it, each one of them.
Okay, sir. So for A, I got triangular prism.
All right. So I'll just write what you say.
For B, I got rectangular prism.
Hold on. And for B?
I got rectangular prism.
Alright, what about C?
For C, I got pyramid.
Pyramid. Alright, thanks. What about D?
For D, I got rectangular prism.
What about F?
For E, sir, I got pyramid.
Oh, E, yeah. Sir, no, no, ABC, no. I say F. Sorry about that.
For E, I got pyramid again.
Okay. Alright, so
for
guys,
F,
for F, I got what? Pyramid?
for F, I got triangular prism.
Triangular prism. Alright. So guys, I left out the I here. So. I don't know what's up. Yeah. Alright. So guys, look at all of them that Khalil gave us. I want you guys to look and tell me which you disagree with. If you agree with it, that's fine. If you disagree with a particular one, then you let me know, and then we can discuss. So for A, it says it's a triangular prism. B, a rectangular prism. C, a pyramid. D, a rectangular prism. E, a pyramid. While for F, it's a triangular prism. Do we agree with all 6? Let me know.
No, sir.
No.
All
No,
right.
sir.
I
Hold on.
disagree.
So I'm going to put somebody who said they disagree.
Me.
All right. Let's see something. All right. Which one you disagree with first? Which letter?
A.
A.
I know.
So A is what? In your opinion?
Sir, for A, I have nets forming a pyramid.
Hmm?
Sir, I have nets forming a pyramid.
Oh, you have pyramid.
How can that be a pyramid?
Well
Where
done,
you get that
Khalil.
from?
Khalil, we don't do that. You notice no one, we allowed everyone to make you talk, and then we have a disagreement. Let us, you know. All right. Is there any other one that you disagree with?
So I'm checking, sir.
All right, all right. Any other one, any other person can check it as well, you know, not just you.
Sir, I
Mm-hmm.
also disagree with A too.
With what letter?
A.
A. So you're saying it's a pyramid also.
No, sir.
What what you think?
I'll say a rectangular prism, but I'm kind of feeling like
A rectangular prism?
rectangular prism.
All right,
Because I would say triangular prism because of the end. Because when it's a triangular prism, there are smaller triangles that close it up. Like at the end.
So what is your option? Rectangular prism?
Yes, sir, but
All right. Critique again, guys. Which other one we disagree with?
E.
E?
Yes, sir.
E is what? It's not a pyramid?
No, I think it's a triangle. Prism.
All right, so somebody think this is a triangular prism.
sir, remember now
I was talking about a rectangular prism, I would say I don't think it's a rectangular prism anymore.
So delete this then. All right.
See, it would have either square or rectangle. Rectangular prism as a rectangle, sir. And it
Alright,
only
so,
has
alright, so you decline that. So what are you saying it is? Do you agree with it's a pyramid or a triangular prism?
I'm going to say it's a pyramid, sir.
Okay. Alright. Any other disagreements? So someone said they don't think this is a triangular, they think this is a triangular prism and not a pyramid. So guys, we good on that now?
Sir, I disagree with F.
F? So you're saying this
Sir,
is not?
Sir, I think it's a pyramid.
Alright. Alright, let's go now. We could discuss it. So all of these, the others are correct then, right? According to...
Yes, sir.
Alright. So let us see the verdict. So Khalil think this is a triangular prism, while Abby think this is a pyramid. What's the reason why you think it's a pyramid, Abby? And Khalil say it could never be a pyramid. Why you say it could never be a pyramid, Khalil? Just want to see the thought process.
Sir, it could never be a pyramid because if C is correct, then, and this is how a net of a pyramid looks, then this would be way too big. This net would be way too big to be a pyramid.
So it's the size you use to determine it?
Yes, sir.
But you can have a big net and a small net of the same thing. Like, for example, I'm just asking, could we have a small net for a cube? For, say, an example, a small cube. And could we have a big net for a big cube?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I think, so I'm thinking probably size does not really matter in this case. You understand what I'm saying, Khalil? Because if it's a small cube,
yes, sir.
Yeah, it probably have a small net. But if it's a big cube, it should have a big net. That's just what I'm thinking. I don't know.
Sir, I think it's a pyramid, sir, because like they have mini triangles, sir, and it goes all around. And it kind of forms like a triangle shape at the top.
All right. All right. This is my opinion. I say it's a pyramid. So I think this one is a pyramid, not a triangular prism. All right. B, everybody agree with me?
Sir, how? Sir, how? How?
Well, a prism is uniform, meaning it's the same shape. So like with the, wait a second, this would be like a cuboid. The shape is uniform. So when you cut the cross section, it's just the same shape.
Oh. So I see what you're talking about.
But this one is a prism. You notice the two prisms that you guys chose.
Yes, sir.
And I agree that this is a pyramid.
Okay, sir.
All right, which is this one now? We have these two, E and F. Is it triangular prism or pyramid?
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, man, go ahead, Ian.
What kind of shapes are these? They're 3D shapes?
Yeah, man, it's a net of 3D.
They're geometric solids.
Yeah.
Basically.
Yeah. Guys, you can literally Google them, you know. Like, who have them phone right now? Google pyramid nets. Just type in pyramid nets and go on images. And tell me if you see any of them. And then you do prism net. Everything is at your fingertip, guys. There's nothing that you guys cannot learn. So you guys, just do that for me.
Sir, I see C for
Yes,
pyramid next.
Found it.
all
Yeah.
right. Look if I see E and F. Everybody who have access, look if just type in pyramid net and see if you see any one of them.
Oh,
Yeah, it's the magic. It's in the internet, guys.
Woo! Sir, I literally found it. I
Yes.
found 8. I
That
found
is
8.
it, guys. That is it. That's what I'm saying. Everything is at your fingertip. So when I say you should do your research
Sir,
and so forth,
Sir, I see E.
No.
what you see E as?
Hey, sir, it's not a pyramid. It's actually
A
a
prism.
wait. It's considered a pyramid, but the real name is called hexagonal pyramid.
Yeah, but
God.
it's
still
what the heading that they give us. It's still a pyramid.
Sir, it's a rectangular prism, sir. For E. No, sir, not for E, sir, for D.
Yeah, that we have that already. Rectangular prism.
Oh.
Everybody agree that this was a rectangular prism already. It's E and F. We were saying you should look at if you see.
Triangular
Sir, I found E, but it says a square pyramid.
Yeah, but they just give. Remember, they say pyramid overall, right? So even though this is a square, they just say pyramid. They didn't give square or rectangular pyramid, right? So it's not a triangular prism. You found this one, you definitely never find it. This one is a pyramid also. Okay, if you find it though. All right.
Still don't believe it.
So guys, we can move on from this now.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
We spend a long time on it, but it's worth it though. That normally come on the paper, you know, guys. Both pyramid and them. So question
Yes,
4
sir.
says, in a certain herd of goats, all the goats are either black or white. How many female goats in the herd are black? And they say no. Which 3 of the following statements together provide additional information that is enough to answer the question? A, the number of goats in the herd. B, the number of male goats in the herd. C, the number of black male goats in the herd. Or D, the number of white
Imagine if it's spelled that. That would have been crazy.
Which 3 we need to find out how many female goats?
Sir, I would say
One out loud, sir.
You guys want to do it out loud? All right, no problem.
Sir, I wonder
I
why
would
they
say
One at a time, though,
I
guys.
wonder-
Because everybody can go at once. So we give each person and then we talk our opinion. All right?
Sir, I wonder why they didn't just let us choose the odd one out.
Eh?
I wonder why they didn't just let us choose the one that couldn't answer the question.
No, because they want you guys to think about it. So you have 3 options. You have to choose 3 options. So Jeremiah, since as you suggested that you could just talk it out, I'm gonna give you the first opportunity.
So my answer is A, B, and C, sir.
You are saying for you A, B, and C good.
Yes, sir.
So, any other response?
Sir,
What's yours, Khalil?
Sir, I agree with
sir, my answer is D, A, C.
But it's the same thing. ABC, right?
Sir, my answer is A, is D as in dog, and A as in C.
Oh, D as in dog. So ADC. This is yours, Khalil, right? A, C, and D.
Yes, sir.
Okay, all right. Anybody else want to go?
Sir, I choose A as in apple, D, C as in cat, and D as in dog.
ACD. Let me go now. ACD. Oh, it's the same thing like Khalil.
Sir, I agree.
Yes, yours too. ACD. All right.
Yes, sir.
What about anybody else choose a different one?
Sir, I did.
All right, go ahead. What's yours?
I chose A, B, C. Yes, A, B, C.
But that's the same as the other person, right? A, B, C.
Yes, sir, me. Yes, sir, me, Jeremiah.
That's Jeremiah, yeah. That's the same as Jeremiah. Let's put it to the test. All right. So it's in a certain herds of. Oh wait, let me see if anybody WhatsApp me. I see I have some shy person. Let me see if they had WhatsApp. Yeah, we cater for them as well. All right, Jenny say ACD. No, Raymar say ACD. Jenny say ACD as well. Let me know. And that's it. That's it. That's the only two I got. Let me check in the chat before we begin. Somebody say Kadeen says CDA. So that's ACD again. Sorry, so she never agree with me. We never see it, you know. ACD, Kadeen say ACD. All right, guys, now I could put it to the test, right? So it's in a certain herd of goats, all the goats are either black or white. So that's the first thing. So you either have a black goat or a white goat. And we need to know how many female goats in the herd are black. That's the one that we need, right? How many black female goats? That's what we're trying to get. So black and female. Let's see if we can get that. Let us use a number. So which three of the following statements together provide additional information that is enough to answer this question? So let me go with Jeremiah. Jeremiah said we need the number of goats in the herd, the number of male goats in the herd, and C, the number of black male goats in the herd. Let's say, make up a scenario. Let's say we have a total of 20 goats in the herd. And we have, in terms of black goat, we have, all this come make it get complicated. So let's say we have the female over here. And we have a total female of 10. We'll just use that as an example. So we have 3 black, and then in terms of male, we have, no, 3 female, that's black, and also for female, we have 7 white. So from the male side now, the Rami side, this, you know, guys. Let us say we have 10 again. And let's say we have 6 white. No, I could put the black first. I could put black over this one. And white, we have 4. Could we find out how many females from this? The number of males in the herd, that would be 20, right? The number of male goats in the herd, 10. I remember we said 10, right? The number of black male goats in the herd, which is 6. Could we tell the number of white female goats from that information? Look at it, guys, and tell me if you could tell.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Oh,
Sir, I can divide it by 2, sir.
divide what by 2?
So
Right.
I'm just
You sure this couldn't work? Look at it, Jeremiah. Wouldn't we need to know how many? Remember, I know you can have a female goat which is black or white. If
Sir,
knowing
I'm
about
not
the
sure.
male, how we gonna come to a conclusion about the female? If we use the number of goats in the herd, which is 20, the number of male goats, these 3 only focus on the male goats, you know. But remember, the female goat can be either white or black. So how knowing about the male is gonna help us with that. Think about it. You understand what I'm saying, guys? Because they can have a female goat that is black or white. How we gonna know how many black, how many white using this alone?
But I divide it by 2, sir.
Divide what by 2? What's the reasoning though?
20, sir.
Yeah, but remember, you know, we just made up some numbers. So I think you're probably manipulating the numbers,
Sir,
but
that
I
won't
understand
work.
the reasoning behind it. There's no
Sir,
way we can know how many
sir,
female goats.
sir, there will be 10 10 black female goats and 10 white female goats, sir.
So what happened to the male one then? That's a 20.
Sir, that won't work, sir.
It won't work. It won't work.
No, sir.
We could explore that one, you know. We need to know the number of goats. I agree with this. I always probably in there. I would skip out B. Because we don't need to know the total number of male.
Why, sir?
Because we want to find out the number of white female goats. The male goat would not affect it. The number of male goats in the herd would not affect it. You understand what I'm saying, guys? We want to find out
Sir.
how many female goats that are black. Are the black one alone one.
But, sir, you would have to know the number of male goats in the herd.
Yeah. B if it in there, not C. Yeah, B if it in there because you need to know that. C must come out. The number of black male goats.
So,
I
sir,
would say
that
it's
means
A.
that means two of
B,
my options
C.
are right, sir. That means 2 of my options are right, sir.
Yeah, man. But I would say it's A, B, D, not A, B, D. Because look, if we know the total number of goats, yeah, that give it a limit, right? Which is 20. The number of male goats in the herd, which we say was 10, because you have 10, yeah, that's a 10. If we know the number of white female, because if you know white, that means you're black as a female, right? Because only black or white. So if we know that the number for the female is 3, no, what is it for white? Oh yeah, 7.
But sir, brown is a skin color as well, sir.
Well, man, remember they said black or white.
Also, I thought you were talking about skin color, sir.
No, man, none of that. It's what the question give us, you know. He said only black or white, did it? It's either you're black or you're white. But we could get 3 from this, right? We could know the 3 by ourselves. Look, total number of goats is 20, right? The number of female goat is 10, because that's what they say. No, the number of male goat is 10. That means the number of female goat to be 20 minus 10, which we know is 10. And we know out of the female goat, we know that 7 out of it is white. That means the balance should be what? Black, right? Hope you guys are getting
Yes, sir.
Yeah, if we know the total number of goats, which is 20, we see that we know the total number of male goats is 10. Probably shouldn't use 10, but we just want to split it in half. So that means the balance of female would be the 20 minus the 10 males. Because if you're a male, you're female. I know society cannot change. But yeah, if you're a male, a female, that's it. So we know that there are 10 female goats. Let us say that now. And out of that 10, we know that 7 are white. So couldn't we find out how many are black? Since you only have 2 colors, white or black? Because if you're not white, you're black. Simple. So I would say A, B, and D. I would exclude the number of black male goats, because that not gonna help you. Because if you don't know the number of black male goats, you still don't know how many white, and it still not affect it. But once you know the total number of goats, that's all we need. All right. Right, look at question 5, guys. Remember, this is from the ministry, you know. So I'm going to share that one up on YouTube, because I think everybody should see. All right, it says now, at a certain competition, each of the 4 members of a Jamaican track team ran a different distance. The total distance run by 4 team members was 8 kilometers. If the longest distance run by a member of the team was 3 kilometers, what could be the shortest distance run by a member of the team? And it said for each of the following, indicate whether it's true or false. So this is a true or false. The shortest distance run by someone is 4 kilometers. Could it be or could not be? 1 kilometer, could it be or could not be? 100 meters, could it
Sir, I
be?
have to go because my phone is calling, sir. Sir, I have to go because my phone is calling me.
All right. No problem, Joe, man. See you, catch you tomorrow.
No, sir, I don't mean that I'm going to log off, sir. I'm telling you that I'm going to my phone.
Oh. That's what I meant, you know. So, guys, you guys want to tell me which one you think? Or WhatsApp me?
WhatsApp.
All right, WhatsApp me then, guys. And then we look at each person. All right, so for 4 kilometers, you say could not be.
Yes, sir.
All right, what about 1 kilometer?
It was pretty close, sir, but I don't think it's 1 kilometer because 100 meters, 1,000 meters, I think, makes 1 kilometer. So I put could not be for 1 kilometer, and could be for 100 meters.
I didn't hear the response though. For 1 kilometer, could it be or could not be?
Could not be.
Could not be.
All right. For 100 meters.
Could be.
Could be.
So that's all right. Class critique is no.
Sir, I disagree.
All right, Jubin. Go ahead. What you disagree with? Let me hear
Sir,
your
1
answer.
kilometer, sir.
Eh?
Sir, 1 kilometer could be.
Okay. So you agree with all the others, right?
Yes, sir.
All right. Explain why. Why 1 kilometers could be.
Sir, it said that if the longest distance run by a member of the team was 3 kilometers, what could be the shortest distance run by a member of the team, sir? So, sir, it has to be less than 3 kilometers, sir, and 1 kilometer is less than 3 kilometers.
All right. Because what about the others? What do you choose? Is it 1 kilometer could be or could not be?
Could be, sir.
Could be. All right. Should I call names? Let me find out what you think. Jeremiah, what you think for that one? We have a standoff. Could
Sir,
be.
for the 4 kilometers, sir, I think it could not be. For the 1 kilometer, I think it could be. And I think for the 100 meters, it could be.
All right. What about Alia? What's your opinion, Alia?
Sir, I think it could be the 1 kilometer.
Okay. All right. Let me scroll up and find another name. What about English? What do you think? Might not working. Amelia Bell, what do you think? Hold on, somebody might. Alang, may I mute you here? Because your background very noisy. Try go somewhere quiet. Why, Amelia? I wasn't hearing you.
Sir, for 1 kilometer, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, I say it could be.
Kalyan, what you say?
For 1 kilometer, sir?
Yeah.
I say it could not be.
All right. Could not. All right. Mona, what you say, Mona?
I say that it could not be, and for the 4 kilometers, I say it couldn't be, and for 1 meters, I be.
Okay. What about Tori and Tyler? What you guys think?
I don't understand.
Tori says she don't understand. Tyler, what you think?
What did you say?
You know what I'm saying? For what you think? What's your answer for that one?
Sir, it was this, sir. It was this.
Eh?
It was right, sir.
Hold on, guys. Somebody still hold on. All right, yeah. So I'm gonna get really nice. Yeah. What you say? What you say for this one?
Sir, I said that I got this, sir.
This? I don't understand what is this.
This answer, sir, could not be, sorry, sir. It's kind of noisy in my place, sir.
Just give me T and F or whatever, because I'm not getting it. For 4 kilometers, could it be or could not be?
Sir, could not.
You already know Amir?
Yes, they could not, sir.
All right, let me tell you what I think. I'm gonna agree with this person that says 1 kilometer could be. Let me tell you why. I say that I agree with that.
Wait, sir, that means I got it right then, sir?
I agree with your one, Jeremiah. Let me tell you why I agree. Well, let me tell you why I agree. So the maximum is 8, where everybody, that's the total. If the person who ran the longest distance ran 3 kilometers, remember it's 4 persons, right? You have to reason it out, guys. So it's 4 persons. So if the person who ran the longest distance ran 3 kilometers, that means you have 5 kilometers to share between 3 persons. Correct? Because they say it's a total of 4 persons. So I say that one person can run 1 kilometer, one run the shortest distance. The next person could possibly run 2. That's what? That's 2 and 1, 3, that's all. And the next person could run 2. So 1 kilometer is possible for the lowest one. Also 100 meters would be possible for the lowest one. Because say that person ran only 100 meters and the next person ran, remember everybody ran at different time. And let's say one next person ran 900 meters. Well, that would be a good example because they said the one who ran the fastest is actually 3 kilometers. So I'm going to use that as an example. Let's say the next person do 2:9. That would give you a 3, and then the next person could do 2 kilometers. So guys, I want you guys to put the numbers into play, and then you see. Why 4 kilometers couldn't work? Because guess what? If it's all of 8, and the lowest one was 4, that means every number would have to be greater than the 4. And it's only 8, and that is 3 plus 4 will be 7 already. And another thing too, the lowest cannot be greater than the highest. So they say that the person who ran the highest is 3, so you can't pass 3. So there's no way this could be true, even though nobody had choose true. All right. So for the persons who would say they didn't understand, it's all in the reading. You guys will develop that. I know the grade 5. You guys will develop
and
that.
also, sir, it can't be it can't be higher than 3 kilometers and it can't be the same as 3 kilometers, sir.
Yeah, unless it tie. Yeah, I agree. But I said a one person. But I said every person ran this at different time. So there's no way it can tie. Correct, Jeremiah. I love that. All right. So guys, we have 15 minutes. I didn't want to keep you guys all of the time, because I kept you guys half an hour later yesterday. I kind of wanted to give you back the time, but I could do that one here, guys, and then we can get some rest. As I know you guys probably tired too. This one is fairly straightforward. What's up this one to me, guys? It's the last one, multiple choice. It said the table below shows the relationship between the number of a term in pattern. What? The table below shows the relationship between the number of a term in a pattern and the value of that term. The same rule is used to find the value of the term in each row. Based on the pattern shown, I want every single person WhatsApp that to me. And then we can get to leave, all right? We will continue this tomorrow, guys. As I say, it's from the ministry. I can show you guys what's happening. I haven't got the chance to go through. It's today I get it, guys. Yeah, one graph the funny to analyze. You know them I bring graph for your exam. Fraction is on it. This is our Kelly plan to add some cupcake. Some cupcake business depending. I don't know what that's about. And then this. Well, we're gonna actually finish this very quick tomorrow. So we're gonna do this and another paper tomorrow. We can finish this very quickly based on what I'm seeing. I got it today, guys. All right, so the table below shows the relationship between the number of terms in a pattern and the value of the term. The same rule is used to apply. Is the rule 3n or is it B, is it n plus 2, or is it C, which is n plus 5, or is it D, which is 2n plus 1? So they wanted to figure out what pattern it is. All right, and Kaylee, your verdict is in. Thanks so much, Kaylee. So guys, we're waiting on the others. Each person send it in. Janelle, I got yours. What's your rule?
Sir, can I actually tell you that on WhatsApp?
Yeah, man, WhatsApp me. Kalyan, I got yours. Raymar, I got yours. Thanks so much, guys. Kalyan says she wanted to explain this one. Yeah. Oh, yeah, Kalyan, you are the person to take us out. All right. So, guys, I'm only giving you 3 minutes, guys. So I can give you guys 10 minutes because I took away your time yesterday. All right. Thanks, Hilton. I got yours. Jaden, I got yours as well. Yeah. Remember, guys, it's the same rule for each row. Very important. Thanks, Jeremiah. I got yours. Kalyan, you will what? 2 more minutes, guys. 2 more minutes. Let's go. Let's go. Anybody text in the chat? Yeah, Ian, me know. Mona got yours.
Yes, sir.
Amelia, you didn't send yours. 1 more minute leave. Let's go. Let's go. Find the rule, guys. Find the rule. Noted, Janelle. Noted. Ian, noted. Soon get to rest. I haven't seen Beth, London, Abby. I haven't seen Chica as yet. Abriana. London, thanks. I got it. 1 more minute, guys. 1 more minute, and then Kalyan will take us out, and then we take talk if we agree. You can't say Mr. Minute and one nice teacher. We'll give you guys 10 minutes. All
Sir,
right?
can I explain it, please?
Eh?
Can I please explain it, sir?
Oh, all right. I'm gonna allow 2 of you because Kalyan was supposed to do it. So I'm gonna allow you to do it as well. That all right?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So both of you. Teamwork. All right. London sent a different answer now, so I'm gonna throw away the first answer. Thanks, London. All right, 2050 now. Ready? Go ahead. Kalyan, go ahead. What's your verdict?
Okay, so I chose D as my answer.
Why
And how
D?
I got that, I got D because if n was equal to let's say 5, 2n means n times 2. So 5 times 2 is 10, and plus 1, 11. And if you see the value of terms, it's always, they're odd numbers. So the next one is going to be an odd number. 3, 5, 7, 9. The next odd number would be 11.
Okay. All right. The person that volunteered, I missed the name. Was it Tyler?
Yes, sir. Me, sir.
What's your answer?
Sir, my answer was C, and because if we look, it says 1, 3, 2, 5, 3, 7, 4, 9, and dash. So, sir, as I realized that it was plus in it, so 1 plus 2, 3, and then it adds one more, 2 plus 3, 5, 3 plus 4, 7, 4 plus 9, 4 plus 5, no, 4.
Reconsidering.
N plus 6. No, sir. It couldn't be C then, sir.
You're saying it's no longer C. All right. What about the class? Do we agree that it's 2n plus 1?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right. Guys,
Yes, sir.
even though she used this as the example, what it's actually asking is asking what's the rule. So let's say you have this first term, what you do forget this one. So as you said, all of this is n. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's n, right? So what you do, you put n where for 2n, right? So 2 times n would be 1. So 2 times the 1. I'm just showing you how they get the 3. And then you add 1. 2 ones, 2 plus 1, 3. So it must be consistent for all of them. So we're going to use the 2n plus 1 for all. So let's do it for 2. 2n plus 1. N at 2 this time. So we replace the n with 2. A graph them are teaching already. 2 2's 4. 4 plus 1, 5. It work out. You do the same thing for 3 now. Anywhere n is, we're going to replace n with 3 this time. 2 times 3 plus 1. 2, 3, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. For 4, 2 times 4, 8 plus 1, 9. And then that means the n term, it doesn't matter. The n term is always, to get the y value, it's going to be 2n plus 1. And Kalyan did that 2, 5, 10 plus 1, 11. That's a good way to end the class, guys. All right, you guys are awesome. Guys, can I put this one on YouTube? Because I think, because it's from the ministry, I think everybody should get. All right.
You can put it on YouTube.
All right. So I'm going to upload it tomorrow. So tomorrow, look out for it, guys. What time you guys get home though from school? 6 o'clock?
Sometime
5 o'clock.
At 4.
6.
All right. So I'm going to put it for 4 o'clock. And you guys can watch it back again, all right?
No, Irish at 6.
All right, sir.
What, Mona? 6 o'clock? Oh, Lord. Hush. So you have a long day, Mona. You must be tired. Can you reach home 6 and have class 7? Hush, man, hush. Guys, I literally come home early because I know I have marathon. But then I had other classes before. So I try to rest every evening before classes. So guys, try to get some rest before classes, all right? Don't just, if you can. All right, so tomorrow, guys, tomorrow again. Great job as usual. All right.
Bye.
Bye. Take care.
Bye.
See you guys tomorrow.
Have a good night.
Yeah, thanks. You guys as well. All right. You guys are awesome. All right, remember, just in case somebody wants. Where can I put this number? Right here. All right, so big up everybody if you're watching. And I'm spending tomorrow, not out. I'll see you guys in another video.